Hi guys, welcome to my channel, where all new design styles converge for your home. In this video, we will join a girl who left the city to return to her hometown in Shaanxi, China, to renovate her house. Renovating a traditional house in Shaanxi, China was a meaningful and complex project. It requires careful consideration between preserving cultural heritage and meeting modern living needs. Therefore, this renovation process is not simply about restoring a degraded house, but also about preserving traditional architectural details. Besides, the renovation also requires ingenuity in design to ensure harmony between the living space and the surrounding natural landscape. Renovating a traditional house in Shaanxi is also a connection between the past and present. This is an opportunity to create a living space that is both historical and meets modern needs while maintaining harmony with nature and local culture. This process is a testament to respect for cultural heritage and is also a way to incorporate traditional values into contemporary life in a natural and sustainable way. Traditional houses in Shaanxi often have typical architecture from rammed earth, wood, and stone. Therefore, when renovating, materials such as wood, stone, and rammed earth are often used to ensure uniformity and harmony with the original structure. Adding straw to the soil is a long-standing traditional construction method. It helps increase the durability and stability of the wall surface, minimizing shrinkage and cracking when the soil layer dries. Straw fibers act as a natural reinforcement, improving adhesion and also enhancing the wall's heat and sound insulation. This not only helps maintain comfort in the living space, but also protects the walls from weather damage. After being mixed well, the rammed earth mixture will be applied to the wall surface and spread flat to create a smooth surface. This process will increase the aesthetics of the space. In addition to advantages such as good heat absorption, keeping cool in the summer, and keeping warm in the winter, rammed earth walls also have certain limitations such as poor waterproofing ability. Therefore, coating a transparent mixture of glue paint and gasoline with the appropriate ratio will help create a waterproof membrane on the wall surface. On the other hand, when glue paint penetrates the soil layers on the wall surface, it helps strengthen the wall, minimizing erosion over time. This helps prolong the life of the building and helps preserve its unique architectural features. Using traditional materials combined with modern style will help the house retain its ancient features while meeting the living standards of the 21st century. Natural wood material with warm colors and minimalist design helps maintain the classic beauty and cultural value of the house. Degraded structures need to be replaced to ensure safety, as well as bring new aesthetic value to the overall house. Old doors often contain many historical and cultural values, reflecting the craftsmanship, art, and style of a certain period. Reusing these details helps preserve and celebrate cultural heritage, maintaining a link with the past. Furthermore, with their ancient appearance, they can become a unique highlight in the living space, creating a harmonious combination of tradition and modernity, bringing depth and unique style to the home. White paint is often used in traditional homes to honor and highlight classic architectural details, such as windows. It creates a balance and harmony with the natural colors of wood, brick, and other materials. On the other hand, in many cultures, white is considered a symbol of purity and peace, bringing a feeling of peace and tranquility, reflecting a simple lifestyle and closeness to nature. The process of integrating modern appliances into a traditional home is one that requires delicate balance between preserving ancient cultural and architectural values and improving amenities to meet the needs of modern life. This not only brings convenience, safety, and comfort to residents, but also honors and preserves the beauty and identity of traditional houses. Modern appliances often offer comfort, high performance, and subtle design. Meanwhile, wooden interior details bring warmth, nature, and create a traditional look to the space. The combination of the above interior elements has created a very special and unique beauty for the space. Incorporating lighting effects and decorative details into the room space is an important part of interior design. The depth of light and special highlights of handmade details help create a space that is not only beautiful, but also full of emotion and comfort. In today's interior design, combining creativity and sustainability is becoming a prominent trend. The perfect combination between the strength and durability of tires and the gentleness and rusticity of ropes created a product that is both highly aesthetic and reflects thinking about sustainability and environmental protection. The combination of details such as dried flowers, cotton balls, and lighting effects create an enchanting space, where natural beauty and art blend together into a magical wonderland full of emotion and style. This process is also a declaration of a lifestyle that respects nature and preserves traditional cultural and artistic values. Interior details with traditional style bring warmth, remembrance, and create a living space rich in culture and history. For example, these lamps not only serve as lighting, but also as a symbol of connection to the past, bringing a classic and sophisticated beauty to the space. This will help create an atmosphere that is both friendly and elegant. Wooden interior details not only play a decorative role, but also bring lasting value and timeless aesthetics. The combination of natural beauty, design versatility, and connection to nature makes wood an ideal material in interior design. Whether in a modern or traditional space, wooden interior details always bring warmth, luxury, and evoke deep emotions in each person's heart. When restored to their original state, these old interior details will also add a highlight to the space. With natural beauty mixed with antiquity, they bring a warm, friendly, and peaceful atmosphere. The process of renovating the bedroom needs to create a peaceful resting space. Traditional space, modern interior, and lighting effects have blended together to bring peace, warmth, and amenities. In the culture of the Chinese Shanxi people, the kitchen is often the place where many cultural identities are kept. Therefore, integrating modern equipment into the traditional kitchen space of the Shanxi people, China, is a delicate and ingenious process. The combination of advanced technology and classic elements not only brings comfort, but also helps maintain and promote the unique cultural identity of this land. Materials and colors such as floors and kitchen surfaces must be in harmony with wall surfaces and other equipment. At the same time, it must bring a rustic, traditional look and a close atmosphere. Meanwhile, the electrical and water systems have also been upgraded to give the space a neat look. At the same time, the gas stove is also installed correctly to ensure the structure of the space. Next, the kitchen tabletop pillars are also flattened with cement mortar to create a perfect base for the tabletop. Finally, the wooden countertop is precisely measured to create a seamless connection with the sink. Amenities space has been formed. A clean, modern space is the top criterion for bathrooms and toilets. Material selection plays an important role in shaping the overall style and feel. High-quality materials not only bring aesthetic beauty, but also ensure durability and comfort during use. From the glossy surface of glass to the warmth of water-resistant wood or the elegance of plated metal, each choice contributes to creating a luxurious bathroom space. During the design process, the skillful combination of these materials will help you build an ideal relaxing space that is both sophisticated and modern. The natural beauty of wood and the vibrancy of greenery contribute to creating a warm bathroom space in harmony with nature. Renovating the courtyards of traditional houses in Shanxi, China, has an important meaning in preserving and creating a modern living space while still imbued with national identity. The courtyard, often the center of the house, is not only a place for family activities and rituals, but also a space connecting nature with people. This process helps maintain ancient architectural elements while improving living conditions and optimizing natural light and air. Thereby, the living space becomes more harmonious, both retaining traditional features and meeting the needs of modern amenities. At the same time, creating a connection between the past and present in every breath of daily life. Stone brings stability, durability, and retains the typical rustic character of ancient architecture. This brings pristine beauty, but no less luxurious. The contrast between the roughness of stone and the purity of white helps the space become balanced and harmonious. This combination not only retains traditional features, but also exudes modern style. Dead wood stems with a rustic and natural appearance can be recycled into unique plant pots. It not only creates a garden corner full of personality and closeness to the environment, but also creates a strong connection between plants and living space. Furthermore, dead wood also helps retain moisture and has good drainage to avoid drought and waterlogging. The contrast between the old material of wood, the fresh vitality of trees, and the rustic, luxurious look of stone has created a space that is both rustic, classic, and full of vitality. This renovation project not only provides a modern and comfortable living environment, but also connects with history and traditional cultural heritage. The conservation and reuse of old materials is a commitment to minimizing environmental impact and promoting a sustainable lifestyle. At the same time, the perfect combination of heritage conservation and sustainable development has created a harmonious living space where past and present intersect. If you like any space, don't forget to leave your comments below the video.